Our top story tonight, Caldwell Police Department is using a different approach to fight crime in one of Idaho's fastest growing cities. Thank you for joining us tonight on the News at 10. I'm Brian Holmes.
And I'm Morgan Romero. Instead of just responding to incidents after they happen, officers are working to prevent them entirely. Aspen Shumper joins us in studio. And Aspen, the department says they're already seeing the results of that approach pay off.
Right. It's a data-driven strategy helping identify where officers should be patrolling more to catch crime before it happens.
We reduce the amount of victims, we reduce the amount of offenders, and we reduce the policing footprint on the community.
The Caldwell Police Department has shifted their approach to policing.
What reactive in policing means is that once a crime happens, we go to that location and take a report, and then follow up and try to make an arrest. But what proactive means is that we get there before the crime happens and we actually stop the crime.
Last year, the department hired a crime data analyst to map exactly where crimes and traffic incidents were happening.
Chief Ingram frequently says that the data-driven approach that Caldwell PD uses is like fishing with a net versus fishing with a hook. We want to be specific.
With the data, they began having officers spend more time in hotspot areas before problems occur.
And the idea is that if we get there before the crimes happen, we can reduce Part 1 crime as well as traffic accidents.
Captain Robert Rosen says the comparison from last year's numbers to this year's show the approach is working.
We've seen a 20% reduction in traffic accidents. We have heard a lot of complaints from community members about dangerous driving behavior in Caldwell, and since shifting to that data-driven proactive approach, we've seen those numbers plummet.
Rosen says the amount of traffic stops and citations for dangerous driving is also up.
A lot of work that we're doing as it relates to speeding, in particular in school zones. A lot of bus safety issues are being reported.
Property crime down 19% year to date, from 475 total incidents in September of 2024 to 381 total incidents this September. And violent crime is down 2%, from 234 incidents to 229 incidents in that same time frame.
We attribute that to working with stakeholders in the community, technology, and a proactive approach.
Rosen says this is not a temporary approach, rather a permanent change in how Caldwell police operate.
We all know Caldwell's growing at a large rate, so we want to stay ahead of the crime curve and provide the top level service for our community. And the only way to achieve that is by stopping crimes from happening and increasing traffic safety.
Captain Rosen says Caldwell PD is fully staffed, and that has also been a key to carrying out this proactive policing approach. As Canyon County continues to lead the state in population growth, Rosen says Caldwell PD plans to keep expanding both technology and staffing to stay ahead of the crime.
This is something they've been working on for quite a while. We're just now getting the data to really show it, right, Aspen?
Right, something they were talking about last year, implemented very late last year in 2024, but really an approach that's still in its very first year of seeing results.
Okay, Aspen, thank you.